Hey guys, it's Rachel with the Certified Funnel Builders, and today we're going to be talking about setting up a checkout form in ClickFunnels 2.0 and then adding your products in as well. So it's pretty simple. It's going to be pretty quick. Let's hop right into it. So in order to add, I'm just in a funnel right now, but I'm just going to show you all how to add the page real quick. So you're just going to click this plus, you're going to come over and add a page. And then as you can see, I'm already on all the order form pages, and I'm just going to click this template right here. And I am going to call this demo, and I'm going to click save real quick. All right, and it's right here. All right, so first off, you're going to need to add your products in. So you can see this little warning, and it's because there's no products in there. And unlike in Classic where you go into the back end and you do it there, you're just going to click these three little dots right here and click add products. And then, let's see, you can click add products. And here are all your products. And you can just search all your different products. I already have a few products in here, just subscription products that I'm just going to select real quick. I'll add another one in there too. So this is just like for me because it's a subscription product. It's annually and monthly, so they're the same thing, just different prices. So that's how you add your products. Very simple. If you don't have your products into ClickFunnels 2.0 yet, you can go into Payments AI and connect them through there, and you can use Stripe if you want, or you can just use Payments AI, which is what we did. So now I'm just going to come into this page and click Edit. And this right here is the checkout element, this whole green thing right here. So you can see there's step 1, select your product, and then step 2 and step 3. And you can't see my products in here because we're in the editor, but if you were to preview it, I did hook up those 2 products and they would populate right here. Now, this is a little tricky just because within this element, there's so many different settings. You literally can edit anything within here, but it's all in this within this. So as you can see, there's step 1, which is going to be select your product. And if you scroll down, you can edit the checkout header. You can change the color. Let's just change this to white. So you can see it's white now. If I click back, I go into these tabs right here and go back. I can also edit the product select. And then within the product select, I can edit the button, the card container, the whole card. I can have images if I want or no images, depending on what you want. And then you can go in and edit if it's selected, what the selected one looks like. So I always like to give the selected box a big border or something. That way people know which one they've selected on. So that's kind of fun there. Let's see. All right. I'm honestly lost. I'm trying to figure out. Oh, there we go. So you can add a border. There you go. Oh, wait. No, that adds a border to the whole thing. See, I'm even confused. There's so many settings in here. Let's go to card. There we go. And now we're on selected. And now I can add a border. I'm going to add a black border. And I'm just going to make it. Oh, that's so. There we go. And now if you go to unselected, so when it's selected, it'll have a bolded border, and when it's not, it won't. So that's helpful for customers. All right, so now I'm going to go back over here. So that's just all the settings within step 1. Now you come over here and click step 2, and this is where you can edit the contact information. So this entire block here. So as you scroll down, you have your checkout headers again. You have your order form, which you can go in here and edit all sorts of different things. You can change what you want to ask them, whether you want their phone number or you don't want their phone number, whether you want their address or you don't want their address, all sorts of things like that. And then you can also edit the inputs, and then you can, let's see if I scroll down here, the checkout step button, you can edit that as well, which is pretty cool. So now if you go back over to columns again, or actually it's not columns. So let me go back into this editor. And now I can go over to step 3, which is the last step. And this is the payment information. So they can see the product that they bought, and then they'll be able to see just like an order summary, and then they'll be able to pick card or PayPal. And then within here, you can edit all sorts of things again. So you can edit the payment method, you can add an order bump, an order summary, terms of service. We did this on one of our order forms because we needed them to just check a little box, making sure that they knew what they were signing up for. So that was kind of nice. Look, you can take the eye off it, and now you can see it right there. And you can, if you come in here, you can edit. You can actually edit what it says right over here, I think. So that's one thing. You can edit everything over here. Not everything, but some of the text. Let me go back into the settings. There we go. All right. And you can also order, edit the buttons. So one thing that I had is I had a sales funnel where we had 3 different products, and we ended up needing to do 3 different order forms and 3 different thank you pages. And in order to actually send people to the thank you page from your order form, you're going to need to come into this, the settings of your checkout form, and go to step 3 and go down to the checkout step button. And you want to put it on submit. And then I enabled a redirect and just put the URL of the thank you page right here. And that's how I set up the back end to tell people where to go after they pay. Yeah, guys, so that's about it. Let's look at it in preview mode. I didn't really edit that many things, but you will be able to see the products in there. So yeah, as you can see, the products are in here. Yeah, I didn't even click save, so that makes sense that nothing else happened. But yeah, so that is how you would go about editing your checkout form and getting that set up for your customers, and then just adding your products in there is super simple. So I hope that this video was super helpful for you guys. We have something huge coming up next week that's going to help everyone with their next funnel launches and just make everything go so much easier and provide that much more technical bliss for you guys. So stay posted, keep looking in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.